Construction workplaces are an essential component of our economy because they are responsible for the creation of the infrastructure that is necessary for the growth of our communities. Nevertheless, construction sites have the potential to have a significant impact on the surrounding environment, particularly in terms of soil erosion. Erosion of soil can result in the disappearance of fertile soil, a decline in water quality, an increase in flooding risk, and the destruction of habitat. In this video, we will discuss the significance of erosion control on construction sites as well as the reasons why it is essential to the preservation of our natural resources and the environment. What exactly does erosion control mean? The term erosion control refers to a collection of methods and practices that are utilized to stop the erosion of soil. Creating physical barriers to prevent soil from being washed or blown away by wind or water is a necessary step in this process. Measures taken to prevent erosion also help to stabilize the soil and the vegetation, which in turn lowers the potential for erosion to occur. The crucial role that erosion prevention plays on construction sites. 1. Compliance with environmental regulations. Environmental regulations demand that construction sites implement efficient erosion control measures in order to be in compliance with the regulations. It is imperative that these regulations be followed in order to guarantee that the environment is preserved and that construction sites do not have a detrimental effect on the ecosystems that are located in the surrounding area. 2. Protection of natural resources. The implementation of erosion control measures contributes to the defense of natural resources like soil, water, and vegetation against degradation. This is of utmost significance in regions that are home to delicate ecosystems, such as watersheds and wetland areas. 3. Preventing sedimentation. Soil erosion can cause sediment to become deposited in bodies of water, which can lower the quality of the water and be harmful to aquatic ecosystems. The amount of soil that is washed into water bodies can be reduced through the implementation of erosion control measures, which can help prevent sedimentation. 4. Prevention of flooding. Unmanaged construction sites can be a factor in increased flooding in the areas that surround them if proper management procedures are not followed. By stabilizing the soil and the vegetation around it, erosion control measures can help reduce the risk of flooding. This is accomplished by reducing the rate at which water runoff occurs. 5. Savings on costs. Efficient erosion control measures can help reduce the cost of construction by reducing the need for costly repairs and cleanup efforts. This in turn helps save time. In addition to this, it can assist in avoiding the payment of hefty fines for violations of environmental regulations. On construction sites, there are a variety of different erosion control measures that can be implemented. Some examples of these are as follows. 1. Silt fencing is a barrier that can be made of fabric or other materials and is used to prevent sediment from leaving a construction site. Silt fencing is also known as silt curtains. 2. Planting vegetation on a construction site can help stabilize the soil and reduce erosion if the vegetation is allowed to cover the site. 3. Stormwater management. A reduction in the volume of runoff from a construction site is one of the goals of proper stormwater management, which also helps to lower the probability of erosion. 4. The prevention of soil erosion is accomplished through a technique known as mulching, which entails covering the top layer of soil with a layer of organic material such as wood chips or straw. In a nutshell, erosion control is absolutely necessary for the preservation of natural resources and the safeguarding of our environment. Effective measures to control erosion can help lessen the toll that construction sites take on the surrounding environment, stop sedimentation from occurring, and cut down on the likelihood of flooding. Construction sites can demonstrate compliance with environmental regulations, protect natural resources, and reduce costs all at the same time by implementing erosion control measures.